You want to keep those expensive or special flowers longer in your home. Well, today in this video I will show you how to make your own flower food. Well, hi there, my name is Merini from homemaking. I hope to inspire and encourage you to find the intended joy in your home. If you are new here, please like and subscribe and share this video. I've also got a freebie at the end of the video, so please stay tuned. So let's get started with this flower food making. Let's first of all start with the materials that you would need. Okay, so number one, you must gather your materials and pre-measure them. We've got 1 teaspoon of sugar, 1 teaspoon of bleach, thick or thin, 2 teaspoons of lemon or lime juice. You will also need your flower vase, a container to mix the solution in, and 1 liter of water. Number 3 is we're going to take the bleach, the lemon or lime juice, and the sugar, and just mix that well. So if you're like me, you are curious to know why you use all these ingredients. Sugar acts as the food for the flowers to feed on as they stop feeding after they have been cut. Bleach acts as a disinfectant to the water and helps get rid of any harmful bacteria. The lemon or lime juice lowers the pH of the water, which makes it ideal for flowers to thrive in. Just combine our mixture with our water. We will just mix this. Mix. We will now just insert this into the vase.